We just sold the 12 room, and that we operated initially, we didn't have any full-time staff. We just operated with independent contractors. So the way we actually exited it, it became such a coveted building because of the brand, and every unit had kitchens. So it was like apartments. Everything was already there, which is what I knew was like that was added a lot of value to the building. We were able to renovate those. We had the brand. We operated it. We cash flowed it for 5 years, and then we subdivided the building so all the units were individual condos, and then we sold all the condos.
Reposition play.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Yeah, so we got the cash flow for 5 years, built the brand and like awareness for the building, and then when we put the condos up, people were like, oh, I want one of these. And
Do you guys control the HOA or is it?
Yeah, so there's an HOA, and the HOA, we're in the process of turning that over to the owners right now. So we're pulling out of the property. But the thing is, half of the owners still want to run their properties like Airbnbs. So we actually retained half of the cash flow from the property, even though we exited the property.
You manage those.
So we just manage it. And so now we just get a management fee, which is pretty nice bottom line for us.